Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming ordinary, often overlooked items into powerful, versatile tools. You might think these everyday objects are only good for their basic functions, but I'll show you how to give them a completely new purpose, capable of some truly surprising feats. I'm starting with a standard binder clip. I carefully remove the metal arm from it. Using pliers, I straighten out the bent ends of this metal arm. This is important to ensure they can be easily manipulated. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I take a valve and disassemble it, separating the nuts and washers. Then, I threaded the metal bar of the binder clip through the valve. This combination of the bolt and the metal bar of the binder clip will form the core of our heating element. Securing it tightly with the nuts ensures good contact and stability for the electrical current later. I really tighten those nuts with pliers to make sure the metal bar of the binder clip is held firmly in place on the valve. Now for the handle. I take a wooden dowel, measure about 4 inches, and mark it with a pencil. I then secure the dowel firmly in a vise. This stability is essential for a clean and safe cut. Using a hacksaw, I carefully cut the marked section of the wooden dowel. This creates a short, ergonomic handle. After cutting, I remove the piece from the vise and sand one end until it's nicely rounded and smooth. This improves both comfort and appearance, making it pleasant to hold. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, with my drill, I bore a precise hole in the center. Then, I marked 2 smaller holes on the side, where the binder clip wires will protrude, ensuring they're evenly spaced for stability. Drilling these holes is crucial for routing the wires and securing our heating element. Now for assembly. I feed the 2 free ends of the binder clip wires through the smaller side holes. This creates a secure attachment for the heating element to its wooden handle, preventing any wobbling during use. I use pliers to adjust the paper clip's wire so that it fits snugly against a wooden surface. I strip a section of red insulated wire and connect it to the exposed metal wires on the bolt. It's important to make a tight, secure connection here for optimal current flow. This connection will complete the circuit for the heating element. I have a thin copper wire with high resistance. This is our heating element. I carefully wrap it around the exposed section of the bolt, coiling it snugly. I strip the insulation from a red wire and attach it firmly to the clip. This creates a flexible and robust connection point. A strong connection is key for good conductivity. Now for a different trick, I take an old AA battery and carefully dismantle it. The goal is to extract the carbon rod from inside. This rod is conductive and surprisingly sturdy, making it perfect for a different kind of tool. I clean the carbon rod, making sure it's free of any debris, preparing it for its new purpose. I'll insert the carbon rod into my drill and use a piece of sandpaper to meticulously sharpen its tip. A sharp tip is vital for concentrating the heat precisely at the welding point, allowing for clean and effective spot welds. I remove the carbon rod from the drill. Then I attach the carbon rod to the valve to complete the soldering iron. Next, I attach 2 alligator clips to a white insulated wire. This second wire will be the negative terminal, completing the circuit when connected to the battery. I prepare the connections for a larger 12V motorcycle battery, attaching alligator clips to both terminals. I connect the red wire from our heating tool to the positive terminal of the battery and the white wire with alligator clips to the negative terminal. This setup will give us plenty of power. I'm going to connect these two wires by twisting them tightly. But as you can see, it's not very secure. I'll demonstrate its effectiveness by using a soldering iron to solder these two wires together. Watch how cleanly it melts. I will connect alligator clips to copper wire, and when I touch the soldering iron to them, it will heat them up and melt them until they stick together. This improvised soldering iron is incredibly handy for quick repairs. This homemade tool is quite powerful, capable of generating significant heat very quickly. This truly shows how common objects can be transformed with a bit of ingenuity. For a final demonstration, I place a small metal mesh sieve on a wooden block and apply the heated tip. Witness the incredible heat generated as it rapidly melts and welds the handle back together. This shows the raw power of our simple, homemade heating tool. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional tool made from various simple items. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and some basic understanding of principles, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.